Hello all, I'm Xavier and welcome to my review of Batman v Superman: Dawn of Justice. Let's go. Okay, so let's start off with those action sequences. Amazing, alright? Especially with that scene with Batman in the warehouse. Bam! Knocked it out of the park. It's like out of the Arkham video games, you know? You like take this scene and put it in those games and fits, you know? Shout out to Screen Junkies for that. Totally right. Absolutely. And you know that I've seen the end with Batman, Superman, Wonder Woman, and Doomsday. Yes. Absolute awesomeness. I still rate the Batman scene in the warehouse high over it, but you know, because that leads me to my next point, which is that Batman, star of this movie, Ben Affleck, totally stole it. He sold it, I bought it, loved it, you know, knocked out the park. He had doubters, you know, but like Heath Ledger and Chris Evans showed sometimes these castings are straight on. Let's ignore the bad ones. Gal Gadot, beauty, strength, presence. She got it. You know, she makes me want to see that Wonder Woman movie next year. You know, no promises, but it looks like it will be a winner. And her performance feels like hopefully it'll be there. Because you know, I've been talking some positives, but no, it's cool. It's some negatives for next. Just main point out how the actors do a great job. It's not with them, but the characters. So Superman. Mm-hmm. Fact on, you know, it's a Superman sequel, but it's not really a Superman sequel. You know, he's just there because he is all Superman. And I see his movie kind of circle, you know, but I guess it was fine. Seemed like Lex Luthor. Didn't like the portrayal though. Edinburgh did well, but that's not my Lex Luthor. I just didn't buy it. I felt like one of those whiny brats, trust fund babies, you know. That's not my Lex. No, not for me. The plot, you know, Batman, you can buy his dislike of Superman and why he wants to take him down. But Superman's reason for getting down on Batman, no, just tacked on, you know, and that resolution of the conflict. And we all are just thankful that those things are similar. And that just points to the overall bad thing about this movie. It's a Batman reboot, Superman sequel, Man of Steel sequel, and a Justice League prequel. And you know, we merged all that together, and it's entertaining in part, especially that second half of the movie. But it's just falls flat to other parts. Like especially that first half, it's just all this build up that doesn't really go anywhere. You know, yeah, the second half, but it's not really that built up to the second half of it. So, you know, it's just like DC. They're just like, bam, we're giving you this, you're gonna like it, accept it. Whereas Marvel, like, they gave us these movies. And so when Avengers happened, we loved it. But then Justice League is just gonna happen, but that just the main three having their own spots. And then the others just gonna be tacked on, you know. Hopefully they can pull it off, but I got some doubts. And those dream sequences, if you're not paying attention, it's just gonna confuse you. Now, like, this movie is for comic book fans. If you don't know why those references are coming at you, you're gonna miss it. It's kind of confusing, and that's why you get all these negative reviews. Because overall, this film, it doesn't fulfill everything that you want as a movie, not in its totality. It's just a plot to get us to be hyper for Justice League when it comes out, you know. So don't see this on like you're a fan of the Trinity on Street, or you like the hype. Like if you just want a general great movie experience, let this one go. All right. Until next time. Bye.